In this video, I'll show you how to make colloidal water using BBSA 3.0 unit. Out of the kit, you're gonna need a few items: your unit, cable to connect, wire to connect, electrodes to the unit, clips which clips onto the electrodes, laser pointer, ppm meter, piece of paper towel, your silver electrodes, timer, glass jar. This does not come with the kit, you will need to buy it from your grocery store, filled with water. This is distilled water, and you fill it all the way up, leaving about 1/4 inch space on the top. Then you'll take your electrodes, place them in, place the clips over them. It doesn't matter which one goes where. And then you would straighten them out so they're straight like this. Let me clip it from the same side. Then you will place it into the jar. Connect. Well, first we're gonna take a measurements of the water. Okay, let's take a measurements. 0 ppm. As we can see, it's all zeros. This is distilled water. That's what we want. We want start with 0 ppm. Okay. Now we're gonna place electrodes inside the jar and connect our wires to it. 1, 2. And then we're gonna connect a wire to the unit. Make sure it's connected to ionic silver connector here on the side, just like that. And we're gonna turn the unit on. Intensity adjustment doesn't do anything here. As long as the blue LED light is on, we're producing silver. Let me turn the lights off. I can already see ionic silver indicator lights up slightly, and it will light up more bright as more silver is made. So once we connected it and turn the unit on, then we'll set the timer. 30 minutes. And push start. Within this 30 minutes, we want to occasionally stir it and allow it to mix a little bit. So a couple times in 30 minutes is good enough. We'll come back in 30 minutes. Okay, it's been another 30 minutes, total 1 hour. Let's clean electrodes. And let's take a measurements. Okay, we are at 5 ppm of silver ions. Target is 15 ppm. The more concentrated it gets, the faster the number grows. So we're at 5 ppm. Let's place our electrodes in and reset the timer. It's been another 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and wipe electrodes. I'll go ahead and mix it. And take a measurement. Okay, we are at 8 ppm. Hope you can see that. And let's take a laser pointer. So you guys can see the line is getting brighter and brighter. This is the silver reflecting laser light. Reset. See you back in another 30 minutes. Same procedure. We're gonna wipe electrodes from undissolved silver. Let's take measurements. Okay, we're at 11 ppm. Hope you can see that. The target is 15 ppm. So let's put this back, reset timer. We'll see you back in another 30 minutes. Same procedure. Okay, we're at 14 ppm. Let's do another 30 minutes. Oh, we're pretty much there. Go ahead and do another 30 minutes. My array is a little more than 15 ppm. 20 is the maximum what it will do. Okay, this is done. What you want to do is wipe your electrodes. Prepare to use them for the next time. This is undissolved silver. Some of the silver will oxidize with the oxygen in the water. Now let's measure. We got 16 ppm. take a laser pointer and check it with laser pointer. Now we can see a solid red light all the way through. If I shine from the top, you can see the line all the way through. This is one of the ways to confirm that you have a colloidal silver in there. There's going to be some undissolved silver which is on the bottom of the jar. So what you need to do, you need to allow it to settle. Once the silver settles, then you take dark glass jar, bottle, and you transfer your silver for storage in there. And when you get when you're gonna be pouring in there, just be careful not to transfer those undissolved silver from the bottom to here. Another option is to put a coffee filter and just transfer it through the coffee filter by filtering it out. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask. Just leave me a comment down below the video. I will try to respond to all of your questions.